Hi, I'm Bob Coleman with the Coleman Report. We're talking to Stephen Sheinbaum. He's out of New York. I met Stephen last week in Atlanta at the Bowfly Franchise Conference. Stephen, what were you telling franchisees in your presentation?
We were telling franchisees that notwithstanding the popular view out there, there is a ton of money out there for franchisees who are looking for it. And notwithstanding that the banks are not necessarily able to fund, there are alternative finance companies like MCC that are lending hundreds of thousands and millions of dollars to franchisees.
For lenders to make money, they have to make loans.
That is true. We don't make money by keeping it in our banks.
Now, alternative finance companies such as yourselves have a lot of criticism. You're called the payday advance structure for small business. What's your response to that criticism?
I think there's good and bad in every industry. The more well-capitalized and experienced alternative finance companies such as ours have created lower-cost, longer-term programs for the better credit and quality merchants out there. With respect to the
I'm a franchisee. I go to you. What's going to cost me to obtain your financing?
For a 12-month deal, it's going to cost you 17 to 18%. If you come direct to a lender, which is not through a sales channel, right? And therefore we are less than most people's individual credit card rates that they're paying, but we're able to give someone up to $500,000 in a handful of days.
What is your sweet spot? Give me your typical deal, dollar amount, and who gets it.
Typical deal is a $50,000 advance that we expect to be repaid back in 10 to 11 months. The business owner has been in business for a year to 2 years, and his credit score is over 600.
600. Wow. Any particular industry that you like more than others?
No, we like all industries. I mean, preference are industries where where the business is face to face with their consumer. We don't fund that many all e-commerce businesses. We do fund a number of businesses that have web-based businesses in conjunction or that are extra to their retail locations.
You know, it's amazing in tracking this part of small business lending. The use of technology has exploded, and you guys are being innovative in this alternative realm. To give me one sound bite in terms of how you use technology to reach your target market and make money.
Sure, couldn't agree with you more. There has just been an influx of really smart, tech-savvy money into the space. So 3 weeks ago, we launched something called ASAP, Automated Submission and Pre-Approval Process, where a reseller or a merchant can can populate 10 or 12 fields, and now a merchant will get a pre-approval within 24 seconds instead of not even 24 hours. And thus far, we have funded those merchants, within 5 to 10% of the pre-approval amount.
Right.
So the efficiencies are really getting pushed right to the front end, and there's a whole disintermediation of all the brokers and everybody in between.
Right. Stephen Sheinbaum out of New York, thank you very much.
Thank you.